It's a different bus. So yesterday we drove to Goan all together. We made it here and we slept the night. And today we are taking off in his bus, all of us, to Lanquín. We dropped off the dogs out of that hotel. Kind of sad because we don't know if they allowed pets in Semuc Champey. So we left them there. And now we're gonna head all of us together to a new adventure. Bye, little homes. Be safe. Wow. The captain, Captain Kike, Capitan. Oh my God. Holy Jesus.
Lulu Champey.
Oh my God. There's a truck behind us that wants to pass us.
It's like different kind of three. Gotta try to save it or something.
Oh. Oh my God. We are very stressed out while Enrique drives, right?
We're so stressed. There's so many bumps right now.
I don't look stressed. We have a situation. We don't fit.
Now we're stuck.
And we're stuck.
We have a lot of weight and we just came over to
Backing up. We gotta back up. There's a truck coming and we don't off it. Go Enrique! You got this!
Where do I park now? Wait.
Oh no, there's somebody.
There's a pole.
Wait.
There's a wooden pole here.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh!
No,
He still doesn't fit!
Fuck, man. It's even tighter here.
I think that guy had to keep going back. I don't know like what we were gonna do. Now I see what they mean about the one lane thing.
Jefe de jefes.
Yeah.
We did it!
We did it.
So we had to make a stop because this is happening. Beautiful view though.
Our dude's
They
here.
just sent us.
Woo! Our dude's here.
We made it. No way. You're kidding.
No.
How in the world did he make it?
Para manejar eso.
Wow.
Sí. ¿Ya volviste? ¿Fuiste y viniste?
No, es que yo bajé en un carro.
Estás en todos lados.
Es como Jesús. They sent us pictures.
Va y viene. Ahí viene.
Oh, we're children.
Imagínate que te hubiésemos traído, tardamos como
There's this guy who has been very persistent, trying to sell us our tour guide for tomorrow. He has been following us the entire time.
I'll just use the iPhone.
So this is a little restaurant that's located where we are staying. So nice.
No, it's fine. No, it's good.
Dinner has been served. Cassandra broke a spoon.
I broke a spoon, lost my entire plate on my lap in the first 2 seconds
Of eating. In like 2 minutes, we'll have a pretty bed. Okay, go.
Okay,
1,
2, 3.
I got it. What? Stop laughing at me. It's this one, right? That we're playing?
Yeah. Franco, stop laughing at us. This is serious.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at her.
Okay, ready? You got it. You actually have to go more because mine's farther at an angle.
Can you see my legs shaking? Oh my god, I'm tan.
Yeah, it's tan.
Yeah. Franco and I, we came to the seats because we're tired, and everybody else driving back to our homes after visiting beautiful Lanquin and Semuc Champey.
We're here to pick up the dogs. We just came back from Semuc.
Lanquin.
Oh, well, it's the same. Lanquin, Semuc is the same.
And this is not Lua.
Moon!
This is Moon. Lua! Lua! Hi! Ay, usted quiso venir conmigo. Moon is angry. Hi, Lua! Lulu, sos una ratita. Ay, Lua, you're so jet. Para, Lua. Ok, ay, lo sé. Lulu, mi ratita. Ay, Lulu, mira lo que parece. Parece una ratita. So, we finally picked up Lua. And Lulu, who looks like a little rat because she got a haircut. Vení, Lulu. We left them at this hotel in in Coban before leaving to Lanquín, and they stayed here 2 nights. It was great. They sent us pictures every day while we were gone, and now we're picking them up and heading back to our camper that we've missed for 2 days. There's our camper.